Alright, so it's raining. We're here in another mall called Divisoria Mall. I'll give you a virtual tour of this place because I don't want to vlog it or edit it, so we'll just do live stream. So here is the Divisoria Mall, a virtual tour. And I'll look around here. Looks like they have some cool shoes and stuff here. 3 pairs for 1,300. That's about maybe $25 for 3 pairs of shoes, you know? It's pretty cool. Go ahead and look up. We'll go upstairs and look. Alright, so earlier I tried to stream on the Divisoria Market, but it rained. So we're now here in the Divisoria Mall. Check it out. It's a lot of toys and a lot of shoes that are $250. Go ahead and look around. Hope you're enjoying this virtual live stream. I'll do 0.5.
Men's soap perfume, 50 pesos, all items.
150 for high-end perfumes.
All items.
Some balaclava masks, some gibbets. We'll keep it going. It's a lot of toys. Christmas is coming. Ooh, look at that Halloween stuff. We'll head up again. I think up here is the food court. Yeah, so it is the food court here in the Divisoria Mall. If you're just joining or if you're watching this later, I didn't want to do a vlog of this place. Also, I don't like to do vlogs in malls because the mall's a mall. But this one's a little special, Divisoria Mall. But this one, we're going to go live stream so you get it right away and I don't have to edit this or re-upload it or anything. Yeah, so it's like food court on the 3rd floor. And of course, more shopping stuff. And yeah, it is Christmas time here in the Philippines. Any Burr month, the start of September, Philippines already celebrates Christmas. They already skip Halloween, they skip Thanksgiving, and they start celebrating Christmas. And the prices here are very cheap. Look at this, shorts, 3 for 100 pesos, which is about $2 for 3 shorts. That's cheap. That is actually really cheap. And there's all these cool stuff here. Good for parties if you need some party stuff. I like this Halloween balloons. And also, yes, there is those bags. Like I say, the Louis Vuitton bags and all the cool stuff here. Christian Dior. Oh man. Kuromi. Oppo. I thought that's like a phone brand, but I guess they're selling shoes. And of course, there's Jollibee in there. We're just looking around. There's a good place to also get like electronics and more. Earlier on my day, I came from Chinatown and also Lucky Chinatown Mall. That's cool. They have all these little souvenirs and lights. I haven't been here since 2018 in this mall. A lot has changed. I have been to Divisoria. Oh, that's cool. For like Philippine birthday gifts and stuff. Yeah, you could buy everything. All types of candy. All types of candy and snacks and seaweeds. Overstock. Oh yeah. There's some Filipino jerseys. Maybe I should get some Filipino jerseys, Filipino basketball jerseys, just how all the travel vloggers do.
Corn beef. I'm not believing. Ayun na, corn beef. Right na.
Oh. Damn, this place went around. Some massage chairs and toys. Some Halloween stuff, I love it. And some Filipino woven goods. Some stereos, pretty cheap. We'll go down this way, 'cause I think Jen is down here. Hope you guys are enjoying the cool, fast kind virtual sites ASMR walk of this walk and talk of mine. Well, we'll go ahead and go down. Alright, so I don't know what I'm really doing in Divisoria. I just came from Chinatown. I filmed a vlog over there. But in Divisoria, we're actually here for like kind of like shopping for Mikkel's birthday. But I don't know what I'm actually doing here, you know. So that's why I'm not really vlogging it. Oh wow, they even have cell phone repair. Cool stuff, shades, some phone cases, tons of cool stuff. I think I came from that way with the shoes, but maybe I am a bit lost already. I'm trying to find my way back. We're not gonna go long on this live stream. I just wanted to fast kind show you that you could kind of get everything for a great price here in the Divisoria Mall. Actually, Divisoria is good itself, but we are trying to we're just gonna find Jin and the fan band, and then we'll end it. Look at all those shoes. Great knockoffs, you know. The quality is still good. We got the Cactus Jack right here. Travis got ones. Look at that. Interesting. We'll just keep it going. We'll even have the corn Adidas one. So the cool thing about this place is, I think the Divisoria Mall might be actually better than Green Hills, to be honest. It has more of a variety rather than just fake luxury goods than Green Hills. And if you haven't been here, it's kind of like a madhouse. Right now it's pretty chill right now because not that much people. And also there's supposed to be like a typhoon, but in reality, man, this place usually is crowded as hell. You can't even walk around. But yeah, going on this walk. Cool yo-yos, all cool fingerboards. Got a kind of like an army surplus, all these pocket knives. That's cool.
Pumps are perfume 50 pesos only.
I think I came from here.
50 pesos only.
50 pesos just for perfume. That is awesome. Great price. I think I'm still on the second floor. Yes, I am. We'll go down again. That's cool. Got Dior slippers and Gucci slippers for 150 pesos, which equivalent to about $3. About $2.50 to be honest. Wild. Also, the fun thing that you should know about Divisoria is there is tons of malls here right near each other. So you might come into this one. This is, I believe, the Divisoria Mall, but it might look exactly like the 168 or Lucky Mall or 686 Mall. We'll go around one more on the right side, and then we'll end this live stream of the Divisoria Mall here in Manila, Philippines. That's cool. Tea egg. Interesting. Chinese tea egg. I heard of that. I think I came from here. Let's go over this way. It's not 0.5 anymore, it's 1. It's more stable, I bet. It smells like a cockroach spray. That looks like a fake Makita drill.
Yes, madam. Bedsheet po. Tissue, madam. 70-80 lang din, madam.
Yes, 80 yan ma'am. 10 piraso na siya. Meron pa dito.
Thank you.
Oh yeah, look at these tools. There's like different entrances to this thing. I think I came from here. Let me try. Looks familiar. I actually think I walked a solid circle around this place. Where did I not go? So yeah, I am kind of lost here. It's ironic. I did come from this place. Damn, you can't cross the way anywhere. It's crazy. Look at the toys. Yeah, we got a chop pan. It's Halloween stuff. That's cool. I am kind of slowed down by this. It's not OSHA certified, I'm pretty sure. We'll cross through here. Maybe I took it that way. I'm so sure. Oh, I love those radios.
Hello!
Yeah, I think I came through here. Look at all these shades. They even sell Gucci shades over there.
Ano? 15. 882 dashboard.
Madhouse. Look at all those cool bags. I came from here because I remember seeing those tools. We'll keep it going. So apparently I am a bit lost. Yeah, right here. I think I came through here. Not so sure. Nope, I didn't come through here. We'll go all the way around again. Actually, I'm gonna end this live stream, guys. I'll catch you guys again on the next one. Bye.